Okay, so I've been kit bashing a little $1.25 thing. 'Cause that's all that's in it. And I put some more bandages on it. Some alcohol pet pads, and I'm about to put the last thing, butterfly bandages. I should have my knife with me, shouldn't I? I should always have a knife with me. Yes, I do. Good. Yeah. Shapoosh. I'm putting all 12 in there because it's like not that big anyway. And I do. It's a really good little thing. By the way, this is the Rexall brand. Worth and literally like not that big. This is literally the I could put all 12 of these in here. I'm going to do. And it still shuts, and I have a complete first aid kit from this. Yeah. Also, Whole Freedom Mode, the stupid subscription thing comes. Yeah. Honestly, because it was supposed to come yesterday, and when I checked, when like 5, 6 or whatever, it said 20th. Because Lake Mary doesn't want to do the freaking job. My, this is this is literally why um the um this postal service should be privately owned. So it's either so it becomes you either do your job or you're fired. Anyway, no positivity. I have a first aid kit I'm proud to carry with me. I'm gonna give this one to me too. This is actually like one of the first ones I got. I picked this one because like, I don't know, it's orange and it's if I drop it in the forest. Oh no, oh okay, what it is. Anyway, peace. Both folks well. Thanks for the wasteland. Peace.